ever pondered over the conundrum of been and gone? These two tiny words can cause giant headaches when it comes to understanding English grammar. So, today, we're diving into the deep end of this linguistic pool, hoping to clear up any murky confusion. Imagine this. You're at a party and your friend asks, "Where's John?" You answer, "He's gone to the store." Here, gone implies that John is still at the store or is still on his way. He hasn't returned yet. Now, let's flip the script. If John had returned from the store and you were asked the same question, your answer would be, "He's been to the store." The word been is used here because John went to the store and has already come back. Let's take another example. Say, your friend Sarah is a globetrotter. She has traveled to Spain, France, and Italy. In this case, you'd say, Sarah has been to Spain, France, and Italy. Been is used because Sarah went to these places and is now back. But what if Sarah is currently in Italy? Then you'd say Sarah has gone to Italy. Gone is used because Sarah is still in Italy. She hasn't returned yet. Now, think about a book you've read. You wouldn't say, "I've gone through the book," would you? No, you'd say, "I've been through the book," because the action is complete. You've finished reading the book. In a nutshell, been and gone both refer to completed actions. But the difference lies in the present. Been implies that the person has returned from the place or finished the action, while gone indicates that the person is still at the place or the action is still ongoing. So next time you're in a fix about whether to use been or gone, remember this rule of thumb. If the action is complete and the person is here, use been. If the action is still ongoing or the person is still there, use gone. That's the mystery of been and gone unraveled for you. It's a subtle difference, but understanding it can make a world of difference in your English language journey.